myself Pallavi Patil from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In last practical, we saw the simulate the binary phase shift key using the Simulink. In this practical, the practical number 14, simulated data modulation using the Simulink. Let's see what are the outcomes of this video. The learner will be able to understand what is a delta modulation, the feature of delta modulation, delta modulator and delta demodulator. Let's see the first, what is a delta modulation. The PCM is a signal rate transmission channel bandwidth of the quite large SIM. It transmits all the bits which are used to code the sample. To overcome this problem, the delta modulation is used. A delta modulation is an analog to digital and digital to analog signal conversion technique. It is used for the transmission of the voice information. So DM is the simplest form is a differential plus code modulation, where the difference between successive sample is encoded into n-bit data stream. In the delta modulation, the transmitted data or the reduce the 1-bit data stream. This is a practical is a designed to explain how the different type of information signal which are allowed to the natural can be converted to the digital form. Okay. The delta modulation is a differential plus code modulation. It's a technique which different signal is encoded into the signal bit. The delta modulation is a provide a staircase approximation of the input sample, the signal where the only 1 bit per sample is transmitted. This 1 bit is sent by the comparing the present sample value with a previous sample value, and then the result whether the amplitude is to the increase or decrease is transmitted. If the step is reduced 0 is transmit, and if the step is increase then 1 is a transmit. This is a diagram, block diagram of the delta modulation transmitter. And the sample of hold circuit will sample of analog input signal in the pulse amplitude modulation signal. It's a up down counter store the previous sample in the binary converter. Okay, this is up down counter is increase and decrease depending on whether the previous sample is large and small than the current sample. This is a delta modulation transmitter. Next is the different features of the delta modulation. The oversample inputs make a full use of signal correlation. The quantization design is a simple. Input square is a much high than the Nyquist rate. The quality is moderate. The design of the modulator and demodulator is simple. The staircase of approximation of the output waveform. The step size very small. The bit rate can be dictated by the user. These are the features of the delta modulation. The next is the delta demodulation. Delta modulator. This is a diagram of the delta modulator. The delta demodulator is a compromise of low pass filter, summer to delay circuit, pre-circuits to eliminate the here, and hence assume the input given to the demodulator. And low pass filter is used to many reasons, but one noise is eliminated for the out of band signal. The step size error that may be occur at the transmit called as the noise, which is eliminated here. There is a no noise present, then the modulator output equal to demodulator input. This is the delta modulator, and this is a delta demodulator. Delta demodulator means it is a digital modulator. We can come across the certain problem to detect the stepwise which the quality of the output wave. The large step size is needed in the step slope modeling signal, and the smaller step size is needed where the message has small slope. This is a delta demodulator. This is a practical number 14. Thank you, student. Next video we will learn the practical number 15. Thank you.